Okay, so here we've got figure 8 straps. I'm using 2 on each arm. And basically this is another way I do with flies. This is one I came up with. I haven't seen anyone else out there come up with something like this. This way, if you've got, say, tennis elbow, quite tight forearms, even a sore wrist, or you just want to give your arms a rest because you use them in everything. So I'll show you. So the idea is, they go underneath. It goes underneath. You can see. Put our hands on it, grab it in our hands. Same with the other one. Hands go in to the top. So you let it slide, get its grip. Just resting your hands. Hands are open, they're not even squeezed together. You can just actually put your hands together a little bit like that, but because you're not holding anything tight, your forearms get a massive break. Press up. Now you can do this as a press, or you can do it as a press fly, or you can even do it just as a fly. Feet back up again, abs locked down. Exactly the same. Now with this, I actually get a much better contraction in my chest, much better. It actually takes out the strain, because as soon as you grip your hands with anything, you do it now, you can just grip something tight, the whole of your forearm, bicep and shoulder locks up basically. Not locks up, but tightens up because it's signalling it's ready to do something or support itself. But you take the equation out, so you take that out and you use just that. The weight then is actually channeling on the back side of you, the back side. So with your lever being the whole of this, or broken up into a couple of levers, there's your whole lever, with the weight dangling on the back part, and when you're doing a forward motion with the weight behind, signals down, then runs in underneath here, not to the rear delt, runs in to the tricep, underneath, and straight to the chest. You'd be amazed at how much contraction you will feel in your chest and not your back, because anything that's on an inside, yeah, sure, you work your inside, everything's locked up, but so is your shoulder. So when your shoulder locks up, and when the weight's especially on the inside, then the rear shoulder has to come into play, and even the traps and everything do to help slow you down. So what we're trying to do is take out body parts, make it easier if you have injuries. This is a great tool. More videos to come.